Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. So today I have a Walgreens haul for you guys. But before we get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you would consider hitting that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into these deals. Okay, you guys, so these deals started today, which is Sunday, August 6th, and they are good up until Saturday, August 12th. I did two transactions. Well, I did one in-store transaction, and then I picked up my curbside pickup order. So we're going to go ahead and start with the in-store transaction. So in my first transaction, I grabbed the Gain products, Febreze, Done, Always, and the Garnier Fructis. So with the Gain products, the Gain liquid detergent is priced at $9.99. That's the 92 ounce. The Gain flings are also priced at $9.99. The deal is when you buy two, you will receive back a $4 registry reward. So you're going to purchase two at $9.99, and that's going to bring your total to $19.98. We do have a $2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Gain liquid, and also a $2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Gain flings. So that's a total of $4 in digital coupons. So $19.98 minus the $4 in digital coupons, that brought my total down to $15.98. And then I did receive back my $4 registry reward for purchasing two. So $15.98 minus the $4 registry reward that I received, that brought my total down to just $11.98 for both, or it makes each one $5.99. But of course I didn't pay that. And then next up, I grabbed two of the Done dish soap, and these are priced at $1.24. The deal is when you buy two, you will receive back a $1 registry reward. So you're going to want to purchase two at $1.24, and that's going to bring your total to $2.48. No coupons for these, but you will receive back a $1 registry reward, bringing your total down to just $1.48 for both, or it makes each one 74 cents. And then I grabbed the Febreze car, and this is the Island Fresh scent, and this is priced at Walgreens for $3.29. We do have a digital coupon for $2.30 back, bringing the total down to just 99 cents. And then next up, I went ahead and I purchased two of the Garnier Fructis, and these are priced at Walgreens at 2 for $8. We do have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $8 minus the $3 digital coupon brought my total down to just $5. And then when you buy two, you will receive back a $3 registry reward. I did receive back my $3 registry reward right here. And so with receiving back this $3 registry reward, it brought my total down to just $2 for both. And then next up, I went ahead and grabbed two packages of these Always liners, and these are priced at $1.79. I purchased two, so that brought my total to $3.58. We do have a $3 digital coupon on the Walgreens app, so $3.58 minus that $3 digital coupon, that brought my total down to just 58 cents for both, or it makes each one 29 cents. And then lastly right here, I went ahead and I grabbed this Gain Febreze small space. Now guys, this was priced, it was tagged at my store for $3.29, so that's what I expected the price to be. But once I got to the car and I checked my receipt, I noticed that this rang up higher than what it was supposed to. It actually rang up at $4.49. So if you have the digital coupon, $2.30 off, be careful with this because it is ringing up higher than $3.29. So this is priced at $4.49. There is a $2.30 digital coupon on the Walgreens app, bringing the total down to $2.19. So that's everything that I got in this transaction, you guys. So now let me go ahead and show you all my receipt. So there are both of my Gain products at $9.99, both of the Done dish soap at $1.24, so $2.48. My Febreze car at $3.29, both of my Garnier Fructis at $4 each, both of the Always liners at $1.79, so $3.58 total. And then the Febreze Small Space, $4.49. I did use a paper spin booster, get $9 in Walgreens cash when you spend $40. And then I also had a digital spin booster, get $7 in Walgreens cash when you spend $25. But I completely forgot, you guys. When I picked up my pickup order, instead of the $7 applying to this transaction right here, like I expected, I totally forgot that I had done a pickup order. So the $7 applied to my pickup order. So I will go over that transaction. And then in this transaction also, I used three $5 register rewards. So that's 15 total. And then there's my $3 digital coupon for the Always, the $3 digital coupon for the Garnier Fructis, both of my $2.30 digital coupons for the Febreze, and both of my $2 digital coupons for the Gain products. So it brought my subtotal to $12.22. But of course, I have to factor back in that those $15 in register rewards. So that actually brought my grand total to $27.22. And then right here where it says earned this visit, I did earn back $9.41. And that $9 is from the paper spin booster that I use to get $9 when you spend $40. And then the 41 cents is from the Walgreens everyday points. So $27.22, and then I got back $9.41 back. That brought my total down to $17.81. And then I got back my 3 register rewards, my $3 for the Garnier Fructis, $1 for the Done, and $4 for the Gain. So that's a total of $8 that I received back. So with receiving those register rewards, that brought my grand total down to just $9.81 for all of those products, which is a great deal because the Gain alone is $10. I am going to resell majority of these items anyway, so I am going to make my money back, what I spent out of pocket, plus some profit. So that's everything in my first transaction. So now let's go ahead and move on over to my curbside pickup order. So in that transaction, I grabbed the Tide Pods, the 42 count, and they are priced online at $12.99. I grabbed the Tide Liquid 92 ounce, and that is priced online at $12.99 as well. And then the Tide Pods, I grabbed another Tide Pods, you guys, and as you guys can see, that is the 57 count. And that one is also priced online at $12.99. Now, I don't know if that is a price error or not. It's probably not, but I was very shocked to see that it was the same price as the 42 count. Again, all 3 of those items are priced online at $12.99. We have a $3 digital coupon for the Tide Pods 42 count, a $3 digital coupon for the Tide Liquid 92 ounce, and then for the 57 count of Tide Pods, we have a $4 digital coupon. So the total price for all 3 of these items before any coupons is $38.97. I did use a promo code SCHOOL15, and that took off an additional $4.35. Also, when you spend $30 on select P&G, you will receive back $10 in Walgreens cash rewards. So in this transaction, before any coupons, I spent $38.97. And even with the promo code that I used, that only took off $4.35. So I was still at that threshold of spending $30. So $34.62. And then I had a total of $10 in digital coupons, $3 for the Tide Pod 42 count, $3 for the Tide Liquid 92 ounce, and $4 digital coupon for the Tide Pod 57 count. So that brought my total down to $24.62. In Walgreens cash, I am going to insert a picture. I got back a total of $18.38. $10 when you spend $30 for the P&G, $7 for my digital spin booster, get $7 when you spend $25, and then I got back $1.38 from the Walgreens everyday points. So $24.62 minus the $18.38 that I got back in Walgreens cash, that brought my grand total down to just $6.24 for all 3 of these products, you guys. Now, again, in my first transaction, I spent $9.81. In my curbside pickup order, I spent $6.24. So total for everything that you see here, I spent $16.05 out of pocket. But I am going to resell everything that you see here minus the always liners. So that is going to be everything in this transaction, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please do me a favor and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comment section what you all are getting this week from Walgreens, and I will see you guys in my next video.